Hello kids, so today I'm going to show you how to download or how to use a free template for your Google Slides presentation from Google. So there are many websites from where you can download Google Slides presentations or templates for your Google Slide presentation. Okay, so basically normally I use a few sites from where I take Google Slides, these templates like the way you see it on your screens. So one of the website that I use is slidesgo.com. One other website is slidesmania.com and one other one is slidescarnival.com. So from over here, all the websites you can search many templates by color. See in Slides Carnival we have by color. Then you have the type of search, type of template like formal template, inspirational template, creative template, or simple, startup, elegant, playful, business. So there's so many different types of templates from where you can search the template that you want. On Slides Mania also we have educational templates, we have formal, fun, simple. So these templates are differentiated or categorized according to these types of templates. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use this slidesgo.com. Okay, so on slidesgo.com, what I like the most is you can pick up a template or you can search for a template according to the color and the style that you want. Okay, so we have over here, when you open slidesgo.com, we can click on this color option and whichever color template you want, you can select it. Suppose I want a green template. Okay, so I can click on green and slidesgo.com will give me the templates that are nearby the green color. See over here the background is green, over here in this the text is green. See green background is there, green designs are there, over here the green designs are there. So basically you will get all the templates which has something green in it. Okay, now there is an option to filter by style also. So when you select style, you will get animated, formal, story set, doodle, black and white, professional, creative. There are so many different styles of template that we can use. Now suppose I want a cartoon like template. Okay, so I'm going to click on this cartoon. See, so all the images or the fonts that I'll see over here are cartoon like fonts. See over here, yeah, the images are also cartoon like. So that is how you search for a template. Okay, now suppose I have selected one template. Okay, so over here, see, this is the template I like. Now, this template doesn't only come pre-made, but it comes with different colors also. See, I can select blue and the background might change to blue. So this is how this template looks in a blue background. I can select a purple one also. I can select a orange one also. I can select a pink one also. So these are different colors that you can choose from. Now suppose I like this blue one. Okay, so I'm going to select this blue one and see over here there is a small arrow that is pointed towards the right hand side. So I can click on this small arrow and you can see the slides that they give you. Okay, so from here only you can take a look at the different slides that they give you, different layouts of a slide. Yeah, and then you can select one template. Suppose I like this one. Okay, suppose I by looking at the slides, the layouts, I like this template. Okay, the science education center template. Now over here I have this download button, that is a downward arrow. Okay, so when I click on this downward arrow, I get two options, Google Slides and PowerPoint. Now we are using Google Slides, so I'll click on Google Slides. Okay, this will open the template into a new tab. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to make a copy of this template. So click on make a copy. So this, once you click on make a copy, this will create a new presentation with this layout or with this template in your Google Drive. Okay, so this is the presentation that has been made. It is saved in my Google Drive now, and I can use this presentation the way I want to. Okay, I can edit this title, I can edit this subtitle, I can delete, I can add new slides from here. See, all the slides, all the layouts that I get are from this template itself. See, there are so many different layouts. There is a thanks and credit slide also. Yeah, so there are so many different things that you can use, and whichever slide you don't want, you can directly delete it from this slides pane. Yeah, so that's all for the day, and I hope you all understood how to add or how to download a free template from Google.